Oof. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm for October. We're finally here. October's Boxycharm. I'm so excited. I know there's something from Pure Cosmetics and Kat Von D, but I have not opened it because I like doing that with you guys. So where's my, I swear, I think I'm prepared. Like, it's right in front of me, but I can't see it. So let's open it. I'm going to use my handy dandy eyebrow twin sauce. Okay. I wonder what shade I got. I'm like trying to look at everything. Okay. $21 for Boxycharm, and we get a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I got the Gaga shade. Yes. So this is Hawkwind. Oh yeah. Ooh. Honey. Ooh. That is gonna be gorgeous. Okay. See, this alone, we paid just for one Kat Von D liquid lipstick, but we get a whole box full of goodies. Yes. We also got a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. It comes with 2 lace masks. Okay, we got the It Cosmetics Superhero Volumizing Mascara. I do have one of these, so I will throw this in the giveaway for you guys. We got the Green Clean Farmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Farmacy. Yes, a lot of their products are really good. So we got that. Oh, it smells amazing. Last thing in here was a Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. Sorry, I'm having Braxton Hicks and they hurt. This Boxycharm, yes. I am excited. So we will be using the products and we will be applying them on our face. I can't wait to create something. Okay. So first, let's go in with the Lace and Peel, the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with a compression lace support. Peel intensity level is a medium. All right, so let's try this out. I'm excited. I love face masks. And if it's lace, oh my god. It looks like lace, like a tanga, you know? Okay, so it says, step 1, cleanse and dry face. My face is cleansed and dried. Apply an even layer of peel paste to tighten areas, avoid eye area, eyebrow, lips, all that good stuff. This is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask that it comes with. It says line up the holes with the face, line up your holes, the eyes, nose, lips, all that, and then place it right behind. Okay. And there's enough in here exactly for 2, so that's even cooler. I'm gonna put on my nose because we're trying to exfoliate my nose. Forehead. Ooh, that smells good. And then my chin. Okay, so let's just apply that. Ooh, it's kind of sticky. Oh, this smells kind of strong. Okay. Ooh, it said not eyebrows. And what are you doing, pendeja? Freaking eyebrows. All right. Gotta wear this for 10 to 15 minutes. Man, I really like how this lace looks. Okay. Secure it by pressing it down. But my face is huge. Can it go around my ears? Okay, let's see. Oh great, Rudy's gonna find me in the most weird way. His timing is always perfect.
You gotta cut up tongue right now.
Look at how weird my ears look. Do you see it?
I brought you some wings.
Oh, did you really? Okay, so I got it on and I'm gonna let it chill for 15 to 20 minutes, and then yeah, I'll show you guys that after me like peeling it off and all that. I just let these hang because I didn't put nothing on my neck. Just pressure, but okay. I'm scared because I feel like it's going to hurt. But let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, ay. Oh, that's on there really tight. Oh, hold on. Wait. Oh, son of a gun. Ooh, fuck. Oh, a little bit more support. Ay, wait, that was painful. Ow! Yeah, I took mostly like my peach fuzz. Dang, that freaking hurt. Pretty cool, pretty fun, pretty nice. I like how it has 2, so like you and the babe. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I will be using two palettes. I will be using Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I will be using that one. And the Profusion Cosmetics Siennas palette. Profusion Cosmetics Siennas 21 shade eyeshadow palette. So we're going to be using both of those. And we're just going to apply that right here. I kind of want to go for a dramatic sort of look. So going in with that color first. It's really pretty. Oh, damn, and that pigmentation is not laying. Okay. I'm just going to add that. I'm going to sort of pack that color in our crease. Going to pack it. Don't worry so much about blending right now. We're just going to just lay it down and then we're gonna blend. So kind of just like pack on that shade. Man, this palette is really impressive, like really, really impressive. And we're just going to add that in the mix and sort of blend those colors that we laid down together. And just take your time blending. If you need to go back and forth with different brushes, then do so. Don't just think that you're just going to grab a shade and just boom, done. Blending is key. And just slowly start building that shade up right there. So we're gonna go in with a green in a minute. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. So just slowly build that shade up. I know I'm like playing along with a lot of palettes, but I know you guys won't mind because you guys like seeing affordable palettes. So I'm gonna go in with the other Pro Profusion. This one is Profusion Pro Pigment 21 shades. This one is Pro Pigment. We're gonna use this shade right here because I really want a really pretty purple. And we're gonna add that up right here. I'm just mixing those two together.
But Mom, on the last part, the guys like, you two girls come down and the girls like,
And he was in on it. So this part is going to be a little bit of a voiceover because my babies wanted to tell me about a movie they saw. So I'm just blending out those beautiful berry shades, then going in with this really light brown just to blend out any harsh lines that I might have. Now for this part right here, for the cut crease, I did slow down so that you guys could see how I did cut the crease, because a few of you have been wondering like how I'm doing it, how I did it, because I have hooded eyes, and having hooded eyes, sometimes it is really hard to do the cut crease. So hopefully me slowing down this this piece right here can show you guys how I cut my crease. So now we're going to go in with this really pretty green color. First, to apply it, I will be using my finger. I feel like packing on pigment, if you use your finger, it helps so much. So I went in with my finger and I'm just going to pat as much as I can and then go in with a MAC 249 brush and just kind of, you know, finish applying the eyeshadow in the places I couldn't reach with my finger. Now to make sure that there's no harsh lines, I'm going to go in with that color and apply it in my crease. So just doing blending so that everything looks very nice and well blended, and it doesn't just look like we just slapped something on and we didn't blend anything. So anything that you put down on your eye, make sure to blend. Now I want to add just a pop of glitter. I will be using the Too Faced glitter glue and the SHOPMISSA AOA Studio, and this glitter is in light peach. I'm just going to add just a little bit on my lid. Okay, now going into the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, I will be picking up just a little bit of the shade right here, just enough just to go, using the Makeup Shack T30 brush. Okay, so now for my under eyes, I will be using the LA Girl Shockwave Neon eyeliner, and this is in the shade Vivid. And we're just going to apply that to our bottom lash line. I'm applying a generous amount, and it's so easy because it's super duper creamy, so it just glides on like butter. Okay, now going in with the Masquerade palette, I'm going to use Disguise, the shade right here, with a Makeup Shack T58 brush. Just going to pick up that shade, and then we're just going to add it right there. Okay, and I'm also going to pick up a little bit of this purple blush and kind of mix that in there as well. That palette does have a little bit of fallout, so just make sure you have a brush just to kind of just sweep it away very lightly. Just now going in with this highlight right here, I will be using the Makeup Shack T13. I'm just going to grab some of that and then spray it with my Too Faced Hangover, just like that, just to give us a little bit of more of a shine. And I'm just going to apply it right there. Just like that. Okay, and then I still gotta add some mascara in a minute. Okay, now going in with Twilight, I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. I'm just going to grab some of the product and then lightly put it over. Okay, again, going in with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. So now for my lips, I will be using the LA Splash. This one is in Tuscan. Now we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, everlasting liquid lipstick. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it matches perfect with the lip liner. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Alrighty, here's the finished look for my Boxycharm video. If you guys want to know what foundation I'm wearing the Makeup Revolution, this one right here. I will link the review once it is uploaded, but yeah, had to go back and get my correct shade. But here is the finished look. I love the color of the liquid lipstick. Yes! This is the end of my Boxycharm unboxing for October. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. If you guys are interested in getting your own Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. If you guys use it, I do receive commission, but you do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. If you guys are wondering what we're gonna get in our next Boxycharm for November, Kim K showed us a little sneak peek of the whole box. I will put the clip here. So if you're interested in getting that box, make sure you sign up, because guys, this was such an amazing Boxycharm box. It really was. The mask was awesome. Kat Von D liquid lip. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yes. Then we got Farmacy Green Clean. This goes for $22, you guys. Farmacy is a really good skincare line, so I'm really happy that we got that in there. Then we got the Masquerade palette. I love when we get palettes. Super freaking awesome. The highlight I really like too. It's just boom. And then we got the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. That is a bargain for only $21. That is seriously so awesome. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Once again, make sure to smash that like button and hit the bell down below so that you guys are notified when I do post videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.